Today we're going to be looking at this glass coffee canister set from ComSaf. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, this beautiful set, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is packaged very nicely to protect it during shipping. As with anything you're going to put food in, you need to wash these before use. My coffee pot makes 1 cup, so I have the little 1 cups, but it also makes 24 ounces at a time. So for those, I use the ground coffee. Opening these bags in the morning is really loud. With these glass jars, they have nice bamboo lids with silicone gaskets that are very, very quiet when you open them. So you're not going to wake anybody up to make your big pot of coffee. This easily held the 1 full container, but I had a little bit left in another one, and I had to shake it down to kind of settle it to fit the other part in the other bag. The lids fit very well, and that silicone gasket helps to ensure a nice tight seal. I have regular coffee in the one on the left, and then I'm going to use the one on the right for espresso. I love the way this looks, and I also love that it includes a scoop and a stand.